In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete videos on TikTok. So right now, I'm inside the TikTok app and we're looking at my profile, which I just created for the sake of this video. So I just posted a brand new TikTok video, and if you want to find out how you can delete it, then make sure you keep watching. Before that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And after watching this video, let me know if this works. But you simply want to go to your TikTok account. You want to click on your video. Then click on these three little dots right there. Scroll to the right, and then you'll see the delete icon right there. Click on it, and then click on delete, and then it's gonna delete your video. That's pretty much how you can delete your TikTok videos on the TikTok app in 2020 on Android and iOS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and let me know in the comments down below if this video or this method works. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.